Today we're taking a look at Cardano's ADA Coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see ADA go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome into Cardano's ADA Coin chart, guys. If you'd like to buy some ADA or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But as you can see, our analysis quite literally turned out exactly as we expected. We had our little breakout through this $1.20 mark, which was key. And as I circled up here, you can see we went up and we tested that 50-day and 20-day moving average. So the 50-day moving average on that day was sitting at $1.36. The 20-day moving average was sitting at $1.30, and we have unfortunately hit a bit of resistance there and come back down as anticipated. So all in all though, still not looking too bad given the fact that we are still managing to maintain our, I suppose, bit of distance above that main support point at $1.20 there. We're currently sitting at $1.26. And I do anticipate though, if we do see some volume coming in today, we will be able to see another retest of the 20-day and 50-day moving averages within the short term. So all in all, not looking too shabby for Cardano now. It was looking a bit scary when we dipped below that $1.20 mark, but it's looking a lot better now, a lot healthier after you have a bit of a run like this. It's fine for it to come back, and it looks like right now, if we go on the hourly chart, we are starting to move back in an upwards direction. You can see we're testing some hourly moving averages there as well. Hopefully we break through those and then can test those daily moving averages within the next day or so. Let's have a look at a few more indicators as well. Bringing up firstly the RSI. That will be an interesting one. You can see it's currently now sitting at 47.37. It had a nice little spike from down here at 35.12 on the 10th of January all the way up to 50.27, but we're still in the lower half. We have room to move. We have room to test our key resistance points up here and continue a nice little short-term upwards trend. Hopefully it occurs, because otherwise things are looking relatively dire if we do break back below that $1.20 mark. Let's have a quick look as well at the MACD. As you can see, we've just had a cross of the MACD, and I think that's what's influencing as well. Obviously that big breakout as we saw there as expected, and why we're starting to spring back a bit, because we're only just at the start of our green period. Hopefully we have something similar to this in length, but hopefully a bit more price action occurs than we saw the last time. If not, we will continue moving downwards, but hopefully in the short term things are looking pretty good now. We just need to see the volume come in. That's the key issue right now. The buying volume still really isn't there. So when we see the buying volume come in, my targets should be hit, and they are staying the same for this video. Simply, I'm targeting those two moving averages there. 20-day moving average currently now sitting at $1.29, and secondly, our 50-day moving average, which is now sitting at $1.35. That wraps up our analysis on Cardano today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.